Standard first aid kits may not be enough for workplaces where serious injuries are more likely, such as construction sites, manufacturing plants, and industries using heavy machinery. A critical injury kit is designed for life-threatening emergencies, particularly severe bleeding and trauma. These kits contain haemostatic dressings, which are a special dressing that helps clot severe bleeding quickly, trauma bandages, which are extra large bandages to cover deep wounds and control major hemorrhage. Tourniquets are used when bleeding cannot be stopped with normal bandaging on limb injuries, and sometimes chest seals, which are essential for penetrating chest injuries such as those caused by machinery accidents or sharp objects entering the chest. The exact contents of these kits will vary from one company to another, but there are standard kits which are usually sufficient. Pro Trainings offers a full range of first aid kits and equipment, including critical injury kits. Any workplace with high impact risks, machinery use, or working at height should include critical injury kits alongside their regular first aid provisions.